Hey guys. This is BassTM. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get an ambient guitar sound using Sylenth 1 and Sakura with a little bit of processing. So here I've already made an ambient guitar pattern using Sylenth 1 and Sakura. First I'll play the pattern so you guys can hear what it sounds like. This is how the pattern sounds individually. And this is how it sounds with all the other elements in the track. Here's how it actually sounds without any effects. It sounds nothing like an ambient guitar, without any effects, right? So let me show you guys how it was made. First I added a reverb with a 2.4 second decay and set the wet knob at 90%. Then I added some ping pong delay to add more ambience. Here I've used the H delay from Waves bundle. But any other delay plugin such as Fruity Delay 2, Fruity Delay 3 etc. could be used. Then I added a guitar amp plugin. Here I've used the GTR amp plugin from Waves bundle. But any other guitar amp plugin could be used instead. I've used this plugin because it's the best guitar amp plugin I've ever come across. I've added a list of free guitar amp plugins in the description along with download links. You guys can download any of them and use it instead, if you don't have the Waves bundle. Then I added another reverb with a very long decay. This reverb is turned off. It's turned on only when the notes are not playing. I have used an automation clip for this. I have added this reverb to fill the gap where notes are not played. To show you guys what I mean, I will play this pattern with and without this reverb. Here's how this pattern sound without this reverb. And here's how it sounds with this reverb. As you guys must have noticed, it makes a huge difference. Next, I have used Fruity Stereo Shaper to make this sound more wide. Fruity Stereo Shaper is basically just a stereo imaging plugin. Then I've added a low cut EQ, so that the guitar sound doesn't affect my bass sound. Then I added a filter to introduce the sound subtly to the track. And last I've used Kickstart for sidechaining. And that's everything. Now we have a beautiful ambient guitar sound. I hope this tutorial helped. If you guys have any doubts, please leave it in the comments below. Also, check out the description for FLP. Have a great day.